The code execution cannot proceed because Steam API 64.dll was not found. Follow these steps. Step 1. Verify game files in Steam. 1. Open the Steam client. 2. Go to Library and find GTA 5. 3. Right-click the game and select Properties. 4. Navigate to Local Files. Verify integrity of game files. This will restore missing or corrupted files, including Steam API 64.dll. Reinstall or update Steam. 1. Download the latest version of Steam from the official website. 2. Reinstall Steam to ensure all its components are intact. 3. Launch the game again. Step 3. Update your graphics drivers. 1. Update your drivers from nvidia.nvidia.com/download/into ASPX, AMD drivers, amd.com/port, Intel drivers, intel.com/home.yml. 2. Restart your PC and try launching the game. Step 4. Scan for malware. 1. Run a full system scan using reliable antivirus software. 2. Remove any detected malware that might have deleted Steam API 64.dll. Step 5. Reinstall GTA 5. 1. Uninstall GTA 5 from Steam or your launcher. 2. Delete leftover files in program files x86, Steam, Steam Apps Common, Grand Theft Auto 5. 3. Reinstall the game from the Steam library. Step 6. Avoid downloading DLLs from the internet. Do download Steam API 64.dll from third-party websites, as they can contain malware. Always repair or reinstall the original files through Steam. Step 7. Run the game as administrator. 1. Navigate to the GTA 5 installation folder. 2. Right-click GTA5.exe and select Properties. 3. Go to the Compatibility tab and check Run this program as an administrator. 4. Apply the changes and launch the game. Step 8. Reinstall Visual C++ redistributables. 1. Download and install the latest Visual C++ redistributables. https://aka.ms/16/release/vc redist.x64.exe. 2. Restart your PC and try launching GTA 5. Step 9. Contact Rockstar Support. If the issue persists, contact Rockstar Support, support.rockstargames.cash for further assistance. Let me know if you need more help with any of these steps.